Hello guys, and we are back with another video tutorial of AutoCAD command. So for today I'm going to open the AutoCAD and we will continue with the same video that we have uploaded last time regarding to the command such as a draw command, and today we are going to study about the modify command and the other commands that is fundamentally has to be used in the AutoCAD drawing. So let's move this one. I don't know if we can move it here. Yeah, that's good, I think. It's moved. Still be waiting for the AutoCAD till it opens. It may take some time. I hope you guys find the first video useful because it's really nice to hear well known about that. So let's get started. Today we are going to start from here, start drawing, and we do have sometimes when I open the AutoCAD directly it comes to this size layout. If you want to just get rid of it, just go to model and leave it as it is. So as we already explained about the drawing in the AutoCAD, the first one, the draw command, and we have explained about them individually one by one. Simultaneously, we will continue with the same thing, which is that the modify command and how to we use them and where we have to use them. So let us get started. Let's go with I think a circle is good. I will draw that's an ellipse. Let's just skip. We'll go to circle and we'll draw a circle here. And let's check the first. And either select the circle and select the and then go enter, and you can move the circle from right, left. But there is another way of selection, which is just click skip, go to move, then go to circle and click. Same thing, you can just right, left, up and down. That's for the circle. Let's go for draw here a small rectangle, as we know that. It's a rectangle here. So we do have here a circle and a rectangle. The second command, which is rotate. Rotate, click here and enter. You can rotate it here, rotate it in this angle, rotate it in this angle, and you can click, rotate, and any angle that you want. I want to rotate it this direction, this one, that looks a little bit good. That's how do we do the rotation. Let's go for this one which is copy command. Copy means to copy the same object multiple times as much as you want. So we will go to the first one, go to copy and click. You can copy it see. Okay, where were we? happened? Yeah, connect. We're disconnected, sorry for that. We have to be connected again, and here we are accepting. I don't know what happened here. It's showing disconnect due to there is a problem here. This we will continue with the same progress as accepted, and here we go. Again, we do go here. It's here showing it's connected. So let's go to AutoCAD. So we stopped here. As we saw, we can click this one and go to copy, then go to enter, and as you can see it's showing here. You can just click it, copy here again. That's how to copy the thing. Let's go to the second one. What is it? We have done 1 2 3 command. We will go to this one. This one is a mirror. Mirror, it's when it's a mirror of something. When you just stand of the mirror, what do you see? You see the reflection of yourself. So that's the command for mirror. Mirror, you can just click on this one, go to mirror, enter, and you can just click from here and go here. See, you can see here is mirror asking. It's asking the source of the object. Do you want to erase it? So this is the source of the object. It's asking whether you want to erase this one or do you want to leave it, the both of them. If you click yes, then they will erase the source object and you will be only with this one. And if you click no, then you will have both of them at the same time. That's the command for mirror. Let's go for this command, which is known as a stretch. Stretch, it's the name of itself. When you stretch something, just click. Means you can stretch it somewhere else, or you can here, enter, and stretch it here. Stretch is mostly used for object, like when you draw something, like I'll draw here a rectangle like that, and you want to stretch it, so you have to go stretch and click here, then enter, then you can for a diagram. I know why it cannot be stretched. I'll tell you what, because it is only taken as a one object. So if you want to not take X, we have to X individually, we have to take them individually. So we have to click X, which means to take it in, which you can see here as it's showing here X. Means explode, enter. This one, then enter. See, explode, now it's being exploded. We cannot select it as a one object, we can select them individually. So if you want to stretch it, just you can go stretch, then you can stretch it as individual. That's the benefit of stretching. That's the about stretch. Let's go for trim. Do you know what does it mean, trim? Trim is an easy object that you means you have to trim the object in multiple times. Let's go for, suppose I want to trim means to erase something. So trim, things. We have to make a line like this, then go to T, why it's not trimming here? Do you know why? Because it's not incomplete road. It should be surrounded from both sides. So we have to do a rectangular again, which is here. Then we can trim it again. Double enter. See, it's being trimmed because put it from one side and it's not being surrounded by something from the other side. That will not be trimmed because object, it's not a complete object. It is half object that has to be completed. So we have to trim it from one side, or we can trim it good. Let's go for the second one, which means fillet. And what does it mean? Fillet, it's an easy thing that you can fill the whole object. You can just put the corner in a proper object. So you have to go fillet, select the, or you can select the object, go to fillet and enter. Then it's here, fillet. We have to just click, fill both sides. How to fill it? Just go to fillet, select the object, enter, select the object, enter. But it is not showing the radius. We have to make a radius of it. First of all, let's go for fillet. Oh, what's it taking? Let's select the object, then go fillet. What is the radius? Click here on the radius, then we will keep it as here. As we must be like here, that would be good. Then go to the second object. Here, then click here. See, yeah, it's being filled from both sides. Let's go for the same thing from here. Then here, here, fillet, in fillet, here and here, again fillet, here and here. So can you see it? How does it look? It looks like a knife. At the fillet option, what do we have here? It's scale. Do you know what does that mean? Scale means you need to scale object inside another object. That's the problem. Suppose I want to put this fillet rectangle or this fillet square. If you just hit the command move it, we cannot put it inside because it doesn't look great. It looks like it's bigger than the object itself, the previous one is bigger than this thing that we need. So if we want to make it small object, how do we use? So we do subject, the base object, go to friends, calculate, lines, we click here to here. See, now we scaled this one depending into this side. So how do we move it? We just click on this one, then move it, and you can move it in city. In this one, and move, click on this one, and go. You can put it inside it. See, it's small now because we scaled it from a bigger size to a small size that we needed. Let's go for, we have done this one, trim, fact. We have array. Array means if you want to copy a number of things in a multiple line, if you want to make a chain or something that you need to make, so we do have an array. So how to make an array? Let's just draw here. Go to an art, click start in, and let's make this one. Then click here, go to art, continue art, then click here, then go again, click go to art and click continue, go again here. It's better to just do it this way, I think. Okay, so let's erase this one because we didn't need it here. We are done from this one. Delete. So we do have these types of circle. I want to draw a circle here. Okay, I will draw a circle exactly. Get a circle and put it here. See? Okay, circle. So I want to make a number of circle in this line. First of all, we have to join it. Let's click here, then press the shift tab, then here, and click here, and click G, and click on it. You see it is being joined all the way. It's showing a multiple object here, but we don't want this object to be here. We need this object in the line itself. So we will go Control Z again, and Control Z. See, what do we have here? We have a path array, means this path, or we do have a polar array, depends. So we will go to path array and click the object, that specify the object and enter. How we do it? Again, it's asking like how many terms do you need? We say more than 4. We need number of rows 1. It's shown here 1 1 1 1. So we do need more than that. How do we add? If we want to add 8, then add 8. Will not be deleted because we already confirmed. So how to do? Just Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. We have to draw a circle again in this one. Okay, like the object here. path curve. Then you know why it was only 4 here? Because it was not jointed, it was an individual curve lane. It was just up to here, then it's cut from here and cut from here. So that's the main reason why it was not in one lane. That's when we joined them and we put array again, which is the path array, then it'll get jointed again, as you can see now. Okay, we have done from path array. We do have this one. If you have a table, if you have a chair, I wanted to draw a table. If you do like it, and let's see how it will look in an array, which is a Boolean array. So I will draw a table which is like this. Let's see. I'm going to do a proper fillet for it. So we'll do here and we'll click the radius from here to here. And we'll do here and we'll do the same path array here and here, and we'll do fillet. We can click multiple, that will be good here, because instead of doing it again, just click on multiple, that's it. That looks like a kind of table. I know it doesn't look appropriate, it's not a proper table, but it does look like that. Let's draw a chair. We'll go to line, draw a line. Let's just activate the ortho because it will be good, as it will be easy. So we'll do this kind of chair and we will just unactivate it. Sorry. What's happening here? Again, come back. Okay. We'll activate the here, activate the ortho, and we will put like kind of chair, you know. Oh, not there. You have to take this angle, the middle one, and just go a little bit and press here. Same thing, just click skip, draw a line, the same procedure. From here, go to the middle bar, and go, take as a reference point. It doesn't look like a chair now. Maybe it's from one side a little bit. Okay, it looks like a chair now. What do you think? Looks like. And we'll draw a lane in the middle. That will look good. And we can just click here and here. That's good. So it looks like it's a chair. I don't know, maybe. That's a table. So what do we know? Just to have to join it. Let's click G. Joined it already, and we have to click here, then press button, and again, and here we are. Again, it's not joining it. I know what's the reason. Let's press here, click the shift button, join, enter. That's okay. We'll delete the middle part. No need it. Just we'll keep it like this, like a small chair. So we want to do a number of chairs around the table. How do we do it? Just go to polar array. Click on this one. Base point of the axis. We click in the base point, which is a table base point. It should be the middle here. So click on this one, go to again it's coming around the chair. It's about the thing. So how do we do it if you want to not things chair? Let's go to it's the same polar array, but we will click in a different types of angle. So go to this one, click polar array. Click here. Oh, that's will be so far. As you can see it, they are very far from the table. I think a rectangle, sorry, circle table, that would be better. Then we can move it. See, that's what I was talking about. If it's a circle, it will come in this round. Then you can move it. Let's just delete this one. And let's take I'm going to delete this one. Wait a minute. And we will go for a rectangle. Oh, sorry, circle. That will be better for us because it is easy to click circumference or circle. And let's go for a lane here and here. Sorry. Lane. Okay. Then we click here. Then we will go to line and click here, here. Then R, double enter. We can trim it. Then box like table. Now we will go for polar array. It's asking the point of axis. We will click here. So that's what I was talking about. If you want to increase the number of chairs, that's we can increase. Or you can put 4. Or you can put whatever you want. It depends on the rows, number of rows, columns. You can just the between distance between them, the fillet. It is the pace point. Where do you want to make the pace point? I do like it full of chairs, so look like a nice table that's for a joint family, like number of family they live together. That's really looks good on them. So that's how do we do polar array. We do have here, which is the meaning of erase. It is just like to erase. It can be erase the whole object or erase a circle, so we didn't use it. And here we have explode. We can explode things like this. Enter. Explode means to say this one is as a one object. So once you explode it, it will not come as a one object. See, it becomes exploded individually. This is one of the most important command in the modify command. Offset means to make a length of a wall, a window, or a door, or whatever you are using. So it is very, very, very important. So I'm going to show you how do we use it. The first one is we will make a rectangle of a certain such a area and width and length, and if we want to use it, just click on this one and go to offset. and that you want to be offset. Suppose I wanted to enter. Has been done to inside around 2 feet. Is used once you draw the wall thickness, whether the entire wall or the interior wall, the exterior wall, the windows, the doors, the hatches. It is very useful or during the dividing the entire wall by doing the partition walls inside the building or doing the interior walls. It is very useful. And once you do these things, if you are doing the offset from the exterior wall, it should be to outside, not inside. But interior wall, it depends onto the door direction. If you are having a line here, then it's inside. If you are having a line here, then it's this direction: up, down, right, left. That's how to use these types of command. So we are done with the modify command. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will continue with the remaining command next time or the next video. So wish you have a great day ahead and wish you all the best, guys, and let's keep in touch. Bye bye.